Okay guys, in this video tutorial, we will learn about the increment operator and decrement operator within the MATLAB. First of all, I would like to tell you that in C or Java or in any other programming languages, usually a syntax is very common, like C and plus plus. If C is a variable, then people used to write C++, or if D is a variable, then people used to write d plus plus or d minus minus. So these are called as the increment or decrement operators. But in MATLAB, there isn't a case like that. So if you want to increment or decrement any integer or numerical, then first of all you need to write a variable, like we will just wrote any variable like var. This is our variable and its value is 10. We have a variable and its value is 10. Then we need to write var is equal to var plus 1. So what will happen? We know that first 10 is assigned to the variable var. Then var is 10 and 10 plus 1 is 11, and then the answer will be stored in the var. Why it is so? Because is equal to is considered as the assignment operator. So what is the function of the sign of equality? It just takes the answer from the right side and export it to the left side, that is var. So okay, we will run it and we will see that just like increase and decrease. Okay, save. Okay, now we can see that its value is increasing. Okay, now we will make a loop like for t is equal to 1 colon 10, and here we will write n. So whenever you will put for, you need to input on the ending of this for loop. So for will starts from like t is equal to 1 colon 10. We will put our, we also need to write, okay, we also need to write t is equal to 1 colon 10, and we have written variable is equal to variable plus 1. Okay, now we will run it, and here you can see that the value of variable uh, is written from 10 to 20. Why it is so? Because this var plus 1 statement executes for about 10 times. So every time the value is incremented, that is for 1 t is equal to 1, this will execute and then it will update its value and then so on. So hopefully you got the concept. Thanks for watching.